If you want to analyze your data and make better decisions, learning how to create reports in Salesforce is essential. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will understand how to build reports step by step, even if you have zero experience. Reports in Salesforce help you organize, filter, and visualize your data in a meaningful way so you can track performance and identify trends easily. To get started, log into your Salesforce account and go to the Reports tab. If you cannot find it, open the app launcher and search for Reports. Once you are there, click on the New Report button. You will then be asked to choose a report type, which defines the kind of data you want to work with, such as accounts, contacts, or opportunities. Select the appropriate report type and click Start Report. Now you will enter the report builder, where you can customize your report. On the left side, you will see different fields that you can drag and drop into your report. Add the fields that are relevant to your analysis, such as names, dates, amounts, or statuses. This step helps you structure your data clearly. Next, apply filters to narrow down your data. For example, you can filter records by date range, status, or specific users. Filters are very useful when you want to focus only on important data instead of viewing everything at once. You can also group your data by specific fields, which allows you to summarize information and make it easier to understand. After that, you can add charts to your report to visualize the data. Click on the Add Chart option and choose a format like bar chart, pie chart, or line chart. This makes your report more interactive and easier to interpret at a glance. Once you are satisfied with your report, click Save and Run. Give your report a clear name so you can find it easily later. You can also share it with your team or schedule it to run automatically at specific times. In short, creating reports in Salesforce involves selecting a report type, adding relevant fields, applying filters, grouping data, and using charts to visualize insights effectively. Now that you understand the process, start creating your own reports and turn your data into actionable insights. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.